So today we're taking a closer look at the Me and My Golf Breaking Ball Putting Mat. Now it claims to redefine home putting practice, but before you stop the video and go out to buy one, let's just take a moment to really see what it's made of. Is it just a gimmick, or is it actually worth the investment? So what's the idea behind the Breaking Ball Putting Mat? It's designed to simulate different break intensities that you might find on the course. Apparently over 90% of putts have some type of break to them. So this is designed to prepare you for those putts. It's a bold claim, but does it actually replicate the challenges of a real green? My first thought is that every putt needs to start on a straight line, so whether there's a break or not, if you can practice putting straight, then that should help you improve your putting, right? But look, I'm willing to keep an open mind, and let's see what I think after testing it out. Should we go and test it out?
Yeah.
So in the box you get 3 breaking balls. One's got a slight break, one's got a medium break, and one's got a heavy break. The blue is the heavy break, the red is the medium break, and the green is the slight break. They're high quality, soft feel golf balls, and they feel like normal golf balls when you're hitting it, so they're actually really good to practice with. The mat is actually really good quality. It's got a good roll and feel, and in terms of the mats that I've practiced with, this one probably feels the most real life with all of the greens that I've tried, and its approximate stimp reading is 11. Each of the colour-coded golf balls is designed with a specific weight, and that simulates different degrees of break, slight, medium and heavy. You'll see here that there's start line markings on the green. I've got an 8-foot mat, but they come in smaller size as well, depending on how big your house is or your living room. And then you line up the ball on the green, blue and red lines. I've laid down my alignment stick to indicate the line that I'm going to be putting along, just so you can see at what angle away from the hole the ball will go. And you can see when I putt the ball, it's got a slight break and it rolls towards the hole. The aim of the mat is that you'll aim obviously into the hole, but you want to be no further outside of the blue behind the hole, and that indicates that you've got good pace on your ball as well. It took a bit of getting used to for me. What I did find is that I'm not great with the left to right break, and I'll probably practice that a little bit more. What I quite liked about it is that it's also got training videos, so you scan the QR code within the training pack, and Piers and Andy from Me and My Golf will give you some specific training guides, how to set it up, exercises, and some games that you can play to keep it exciting and interesting when you're playing as well.
Are you ready for every putt challenge?
So I think if you're serious about transforming your putting at home in the winter, this mat could be all of the difference it takes for you to really improve your golf. I like putting in a straight line. I like to make sure that I've got a good rhythm and tempo, so I'm very used to just putting with a standard ball on a mat.
Make sure to like and subscribe to her and ring that bell.
You've heard it here first. So what did I think? I'd love to sit here and say it's the next best thing in putting, it's really going to change your golf. I think it's okay. I think you need to have a specific requirement for it. So if you're struggling on your breaking putts, then absolutely this is the mat for you. But you have to be really sure that you know how to putt the ball straight first of all. It sounds really strange to say, but you need to be able to make sure you can hit your target in a straight line. I think I would rather spend my time just practicing a straight putt. Now look, Piers and Andy are probably going to tell me I'm completely wrong. Comment below, what do you think? So in the winter, that's probably what I'm going to do. I've linked it below. Have a look, see what you think. And it could be the next best thing for your putting, but I'm not sure it is for me. If you're still looking for ways to improve your golf, you should definitely check out this video next, and I'll catch you in the next one.